is a sandvic truck. It is a sandvic truck that we are looking at. Let's inspect the parts for the sandvic truck. As you can see, there is about 2 hoses for the dump box, as well as 2 hoses for the steering. These are the 2 hoses for the steering, and these are the 2 hoses for the dump box. As you can see, there is testing points for each line, meaning these 2 for the dump box, in and out. There is also these 2 for the steering. Okay, there is this one for the brakes, this one for the flashing, and this one for the return. There is the filling pump switch, and this is the ground for the machine. When you come here, there is a transmission brake cooling brake cooler. There is a brake cooler. There is also the electrical box there. There is also the filter for the transmission just here. Let's see inside. Come here. See, there is a cooler, transmission, brake, high pressure filter. It's there. The car that this machine is using, let's see the number. It is tire size is 29 R25. As you can see, it's 29.5 R25, the size of the tire. If you come here, there is a radiator. This is a radiator for the machine. Radiator for the 545i. This is a radiator. If you come here, where there is A there. A is here. This is the inlet for supply to run the fan, and this is the outlet. It is also running. You see that there's a connection there. There's a connection there, feeding another motor, then return to the tank. There's also a recoil for the motor. There's also a recoil for the motor. If you see there is a fuel filter there. There's also a sensor there. Let's look at the intercooler. This is the intercooler. It's also cooled by hydraulics. Let's see where A is. We look at there is A there. A there. That's the entrance. Then there must be a loop there. Shows the loop up to this side and run. But if you look at this mechanism, we can see that this is the return, which is B. Let's see, that is a return. Right. Let's see. That is a fire extinguisher. Let's look at other stuff. As you can see, there is an engine there. It's a Volvo. You see, there is also a bit for the steering. As you can see, there is a mounting for the canopy. This is the front mounting. Let's look at the rear mounting. Those are the rear mounting for the canopy. This is matched. This machine is coming from the rebuild. Let's look at this is a hydraulic tank. It is also labeled. This is a brake tank. It's also labeled. This is the steering. You can see there is a steering and also the e-stop for the machine. There is also a grease lines for the rear as well as the front side of the machine. Here there is also a filling pump there. There's also a filling pump there. Okay. What else do we need? What else do we need? There is a rear pillar block to support the drive line. That's a rear pillar block to support the rear drive line. There's also a center pillar block there, support bearing there, in order to support the drive line from the center section. Okay, let's see what we are looking at now. As you can see, there is a sensor there to detect the position of the dump box. Sensor there to detect the position of the dump box. What else do we need here? There's a one there. Okay.